Ready? Ready? Oh. We love these spoons. Okay. Okay, go ahead. All yours. We might need a bath. Can I have it?
No.
Can I have it back?
It's my spoon.
Oh yeah? You think so? Can I have it back for a minute? If I promise to put it back with food in your mouth? Ready? Ready? Okay. Hang on. Ready? There you go. Whoops.
Yeah, he's into it.
I don't know if he's into the food. Well, we've seen cleaner days. Yeah, we'll do this. How about that? Fingers are optional. What do you think of this stuff? I think I'm making a bigger mess. Yeah, okay, there you go. Whoops.